Okay, this is the fourth segment today. Uh, Whatever. Anyway, I was just looking at the. So it is working now. Or, I mean, the stream is back on. Did I do any of this right? That's new web. That's no longer relevant. This isn't relevant. So that would create the certificate. I do the post request, which I don't know that that's what we're going to do, but um, we've got to create a new user somehow. Or rather, I guess that's different. Um, so currently there would be no mapping, right? So when I do require user, then, and now we do this, which, yeah, we had to do it this way because of this thing. And it's this difference. So in theory, this is saying that there's something out here. So I guess I'm gonna we're not gonna hand hack one in. We're just gonna create a new certificate, I guess, because we need to test all that stuff too. Anyway, so somehow I've got to. So see if I have the fingerprint. I think we've got a problem though. I think this is not going to compile for multiple reasons, I guess. Shit, we got stuff here. Oh, it's 173. So this is saying conflicting. Oh, because I do this right here. Does that work? Oh, client cert is wrong. Cert client. Way to go there. Blah, 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 blah. Yeah, we should just do that. Because the other problem is that is just the same name, which is why all that should probably be a function. And then what's the deal? Internal 1544. And the problem is we don't have that. So in the search, yeah, you don't want to do none. None of these things should be doing that. They should always be returning -1. 5, 7, 8. Oh. Yeah, we gotta add this. And this doesn't have to be this big at all. What did I say? I think somewhere else I did it 64, which is even a more different problem. Fingerprint? Oh, and new client. We're passing the request that then is putting it into there, so that needs to have been a thing already. And so, okay, that's fine. Didn't fix that. 632 and it's not this. So the problem here is probably that it's doing this body thing. So it should be this. Arguably, the body is also there, so I don't know that we actually have to do that, but oh shit, it just compiled. Um, so now that's working, or rather, that compiled. This is not working. Also, it is not saying anything about that. Probably because when you go to join, a join handler, it's because this is not doing the. I'm trying to write the session cookie out. So this needs to do optional session web. Isn't that what it is? Nope. Oh. Yeah, that feels like how it should work. Question is, hey, look, got a value in there now. I guess I could figure this is 256 bits divided by 8 is 32, I believe. But we have it larger than that by twice. But it means we are getting the certificate in here now cleanly. And but this is not really the thing. We really want to hit something like this though. And it didn't work because it's not fine. It's not getting a use, so it's redirecting. I don't. You need the optional here because join will start out not showing anything, and you're probably then. um. Okay. Hmm. 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 Okay. Just too tired. So what needs to happen then? Oh. Um. I guess you. Wait. How is it setting the user when you create a session? Or where was the. I don't. This is not linking a user. That's because you can have a session without a user. So when you do create, this must be. Yeah, here it is. Shit. Um. So when I insert the thing, I have to set the user ID if I don't know what it is. So what that means is what does that mean? That I should be able to just do it when you do insert. Uh, wait, how do they even have a user ID? Create table user. Well, that's not good. Oh, I think it's at the app level. They have a table, but I thought there was a insert into table user. Oh, it's commented out. Okay. Uh, what? Oh, that's because this is join. This is update. Oh, here it is. Insert user app will have to happen. Although it doesn't happen there, it's got to be in here. Oh, because this is all the stuff here that happens when you actually insert a user. So what does that mean? It means when you do join, you have to create a user. And I'll have to call this insert user, I think. Because I need all of this stuff to happen, obviously. Um, here, the admin. What? Oh, this is a separate problem. We're doing. Oh, yeah. So this takes the email, it looks it up, I believe, is what's going to happen. Yeah, it looks up a user by email. That's on the email login code page. And if it doesn't find a user, then it creates a user here. And we're doing some checks, so that's something. Um, oh, so if end user, if there's no first user, then there's something about being the admin. So it's really this whole part. Hmm. What does this mean? Hmm. So you come in with a, or you don't have a certificate. So I've got to create a new um what is it? I got to create a new user. What? How? Yeah, I'm gonna have to think about this. I've got to. I've got to add. So you come to the site, you proceed past the certificate warning. Um, so I don't know about this. So the easy case is you just got a new user. They don't have a certificate or anything. They come to the site. They get just the home page, and that requires user currently. What am I doing here? So they would just go to this. That's redirecting to join now. So okay. So but I've got a certificate set here. So go to this, then I do cancel. So then I wait. Well, okay, it did ask me for a certificate, and now if I go back here, didn't ask for my certificate again. Why did it not ask for my certificate again? Um Also I think we got a problem that I have done the CA adding part. Hmm. Why did it not ask for that again? So it asks for it here, but then I just say cancel, which is bad. And we just continue on and go over here. Wait. Yeah, there shouldn't be anything showing. Hmm. Hmm. So that's weird behavior. I don't know. Um, I kind of think that should like ask for the certificate again, shouldn't it? Like I hit cancel. I didn't choose anything. Chrome client certificate selection. Cancel doesn't ask again. Clear the SSL state. Immediate fixes. Yeah, we're definitely not doing that. What the fuck? Yeah, right. So that's pseudo problematic, but you're really not going to want to be doing that very much. Since you'll have a different certificate for every site, it's not really a big deal. Like you're always going to log in with the same certificate to the site unless you're a developer or something maybe. Then you got incognito mode no though now. So that's kind of lame, but whatever. Okay. So I don't know. I gotta do something, so forgot about it. So I don't know if there'll be more today. I feel like I need to think about what this flow is really gonna be a little more. I'm a little tired. Gotta go to bed earlier. Stop. Anyway.